चलिए आज शुरू करते हैं एक छोटी सी कहानी से, वो भी मेरी अपनी। When I started, I had no prior experience, contacts or marketing background. All I had was curiosity and a will to learn. Today, I work in digital marketing. I'm managing campaigns, running ads, creating strategies for business growth. Hi everyone, मैं हूँ Sakshi and today in this video, I'm going to take you through exactly how I got hired without no prior experience. How I built my skills step by step and finally found the right opportunity through iRead's job channel. To be honest, when I started my journey, I had a lot of confusion. Digital marketing sounded exciting, but I just didn't know what it involved. So I started from the basics: SEO, social media, Google Ads. In सब कुछ जानने के बाद I understood that this is a very interesting field and I think I can master it. The first step I took was skill acquisition. I spent time learning the fundamentals: Google Analytics, keyword research, campaign optimization, content writing, and brand strategy. I took online courses, joined workshops, and followed structured roadmaps. But the key wasn't just theory, it was application. Every time I learned a new tool, I used it. I ran dummy campaigns, ran experiments with Google Ads, and also analyzed real websites. And that's where learning started turning into skills. Once I had the basic, I needed something to showcase my work, and that was my portfolio. But remember, I did not have my own clients. I made my own projects. I picked local businesses, imagined mock campaigns, and built detailed case studies. It wasn't about perfection, it was about demonstrating understanding. By the end, I had a portfolio of 4 to 5 campaigns and an SEO that represented more to my skills than a degree could ever do. Another part many people ignore is communication. You must remember that digital marketing is not all about campaigns, but it is also about how you convey those messages. So I worked on my soft skills: writing, presentation, client communications. I picked up my confidence in such a level that when I present a project to someone, it goes through clearly. Now, when I had some skills and had a very refined portfolio, the real challenge was how to get noticed. And that's when I came across iRead's job channel. It wasn't just a platform posting vacancies. It connected me with opportunities tailored to what I was learning. Through the channel, I found openings for digital marketing interns and junior level executives, along with a tailored session on how to do interviews. Most important thing, I didn't just apply randomly. I applied after seeing which job description goes well with my skills. For every application, I tweaked my resume and cover letter to highlight my projects. During interviews, I didn't pretend to be an expert. I actually talked about what I had learned, how I'd applied, and what I was looking forward to do next. After a few interviews, I got my first offer, a digital marketing intern, and that also through iRead's job channel. It was a small company, but it gave me exactly what I needed: exposure. I worked on ad campaigns, social media calendars, and each and every task added to my confidence. And that was the turning point for me, that internship turned out to be a full-time opportunity. So what exactly did I learn from this journey? Build the right skills before chasing jobs. Create a portfolio that reflects your learning. Don't underestimate the power of networking and community channels. Apply consistently. Feedback is a part of growth. Stay curious, the industry evolves every month. If you're starting new with no experience, remember one thing: you do not have to wait for an opportunity, you can create one for yourself. You can start learning, building, and growing right now. Use tools around you like courses, communities, and iRead's job channel and stay connected. You never know when an opportunity knocks your door. Keep improving your skills, keep applying, and stay consistent. That's how I got my offer, and you can also. So that's it for today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down what career do you look forward to. Until next, bye.